the Jazz from Lito Cristobal.
Bakit ba ganyan kung minsan ay napunta ka sa trabaho? Pag ika'y kausap namin, lumalakas ang loob. Kung ikaw ay nagkatawa, ewan
shoutout sa mga viewers natin dyan. Welcome.
Hello to our Facebook Live viewers. Ayan, sa mga gusto mag-request, baka meron na po tayong mga requested song dyan, sir, ha? Pakisulat naman po sa papel or sa tissue. And dyan sa likod, ila, sir.
O sa
Shout
katabi
out to Sir Jimmy.
O sa katabi.
Ano sa, sir?
Di ano mo kya? Iba yung pinako. Ay, wala. Ayun.
Anong gawin namin para magkanta ka ni
Patuna.
So, this song for you. Sa mga baliw dyan sa pag-ibig. Nababatel. The music starts.
Thank you so much, Benji.
Most of the time, two by two, their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close, but still a world away. What I'm dying to from Escobar. There's another song for you from Leon Lyons. How do I get through the night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, you in my arms to you to hold your world, my heart and soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live without you? There'd be no sun in my sky. There would be no love in my life. There'd be no world there for me. And baby, I don't know what I would do. I'd be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything real in my life. Yeah, tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything needed with me. Baby, don't you know that you're everything good in my life? Yeah, tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh, how do I live? Thank you so much. Alright, so also mag-request po dyan, ha?
Happy birthday.
And it's another song for you from Anne-Marie. Ayan, sa mga newcomers, sa mga gusto mag-request po dyan, pakisulat naman po sa papel or sa tissue. And once again, welcome po sa ating first set.
Last year. Alright, thank you so much, Kuya Jimmy and company. Alright.
Check. Alright, sa mga gusto mag-request po dyan ha. Pwede po kayo mag-request. Sa mga song for you, ano po yung song? Alright, thank you so much. And sa mga gusto mag-request once again. Yes. And it's another song here from Celine Dion. And welcome po sa ating mga Facebook live viewers. Please like and share yung po ang ating live tonight. And please follow po ninyo ang page ng J. Curl Restobar. Opo. Grabe ka respectful.
Thank you so much, Sir Jimmy, sa compliment.
I got wings to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Get away.
kinanta, pero para sa nilibis. Sa
Sige.
likuran niya, Tani, The Flame.
Para sa nag-request itong by Chip Trick. You know the morning's going roses in, and I feel so lonely. Touching heat freezing on my skin, I pretend you still hold me. I'm going crazy, I'm losing steam. I'm in too far, I'm in way too deep. Over you, I can't believe you're gone. You were the first to be the last. Come on, sing with me. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you need, someone to lay your head on. Remember after the fire, after all the pain, I will be the
O, malakpakan naman sa nag-request. Thank you so much, sir.
Watching shadows move across the wall, feeling so far away. Oh, wanna swim, I wanna go, better than hit by night and day. Just instead of falling apart, can see through this veil across my heart. Over you, you'll always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Come on, sing along, everybody. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Whatever you need, someone to lay your head on. Remember after the fire, after all the rain, I will be the I'm going crazy, I'm losing sleep. I'm in too far, I'm in way too deep. Over you, you'll always be the one. You were the first, you'll be the last. Come on, sing. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Hello po dyan sa likod. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you. Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want, I'll give it to you.
Shoutout sa mga viewers natin dyan. Thank you, Mr.
Wherever you go, I'll be with you. Whatever you want,
happy birthday to Jibril Jeep Jeep. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday. Good evening sa inyo.
Happy
sir.
birthday
Salamat
po!
kay Dali mo nag-celebrate sa imong birthday, sir. Ang request kit silang Imagine pre by the Beatles. Imagine on.
Try lang na to siguro. Kung dili makaya, kaya nun eh.
I-try na naman, sir, ha? As long
Try lang, sir,
as
try.
we can.
Last song na din po
So,
ito.
para sa nag-request.
Try lang na to. Basta di ay.
After dito, sir, break tayo po kami, 30 minutes na, babalik po kami for our second.
Yes. Kaya standby lang po tayo na.
No heaven. Easy, you try.
Diba? Nakapag-guys na gawa.
No hell below us. Us on the sky. Yeah, baby.
Imagine all the people living for tonight. Imagine there's no countries.
Para sa birthday, Sir Jeff.
Is it hard to do? Nothing to kill or die for, and don't believe you do. Imagine all the people living life in peace. Ooh, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you join us, and the world will be as one.
Imagine
All possessions, I wonder when you'll get it. No need for greed or hunger, a brotherhood of men. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you'll join us, and the world will be as one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much po for requesting. Nakabalungan po ni sa kadugayan. Ayun, babalik po kami mamaya sa aming second set. Standby lang po tayo. Thank you so much.
Standby sa
Standby, sir.
Jammer kay Cyrus. Break muna mga 30 minutes.